Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this super simple skull makeup. You can wear this over a full face of glam, or you can wear this over no makeup at all. It's lightweight and comfortable, so it's going to be perfect for any Halloween party. So I'm going to be using the Pretty Cool palette. This is by Dose of Colors, and it's got a bunch of really great taupe shades. So I'm going to be starting off with Fine Print. This is a nice cool toned gray shade, and I'm just using the brush that comes with the palette. So I'm using like the little pointy end, and I'm going to start kind of defining the brow bone. And this color actually worked perfectly with my brow shade. So I'm just gonna be using a light hand and I'm just sketching out the hollows of the eyes. If you don't know exactly where to place this, you can kind of just like feel where the bone is, and you just wanna go like a little bit above that. Or, I mean, you could just Google an image and use like a little reference of a skull. I wanted to kind of accentuate my eye shape and my makeup, so I'm kind of winging it out. I'm not connecting it up to my brow. Now I'm gonna grab Sign Off on the fluffier side, and I'm gonna start shading in the hollows of the eyes, but I wanna keep this pretty light. I want this to be very like lightweight, simple, comfortable, something that you can actually wear all night long if you're going to a party. So I'm not using any creams, it's just gonna be powders. And you can make this as dark as you want, you can make it as defined as you want. It really depends on what your personal preference is. I'm just going in with the pointed end and just kind of like defining those lines a little bit more. I want to create a little bit more contrast. So if there are any areas that you feel like you want to intensify a little bit more, go ahead and do that. I'm grabbing that first gray shade that we used on the eyes, and I'm gonna start sketching out the teeth. So I'm just using a really light hand, and I'm just gonna kind of like curve this into the cheekbone. And then I'm using the other side of the brush with just a tiny bit of additional product and just making sure that I'm really blending. Blending is the most important part of this because we want to keep it really, really soft and attractive looking. But it's not going to be really messy or anything like that. I decided to bring this up towards the cheekbone just to intensify the effect a little bit. You can kind of like play this up or play it down, however far you want to take it. That's the nice thing about this look. Now I'm grabbing Taupeless on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to lightly shade that kind of like into my contour. And I just really want the bone effect to pop. Now I'm grabbing Sign Off again, and using the little pointy side of the brush, I'm gonna start sketching in the teeth. So first I'm just kind of like sketching out where they're gonna go, and then I'm kind of like using that little brush with a really light hand, and I'm gonna start shading in the roots or around the roots of the teeth. You can take this up as high as you want. I wanted to keep it above my lips so that I can just wear like a regular lipstick and be comfortable, but you still kind of get the effect of a skull without having to worry about like messing up whatever's on your lips. I'm just gonna repeat this process on the bottom part of my lips. I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm really happy that I did. I actually love the way that it turned out. Now I'm gonna grab this matte bone shade from the City Mini palette. This is Matte About Town by Maybelline. And I'm just using a little pencil brush, and I'm just gonna be kind of like, I wanted to intensify the teeth. So the rest of it kind of works with my concealer, I think, but I wanted the teeth to really pop. You can use a white concealer for this. You can use like a white gel liner, pretty much anything. I like how soft the shadows are. picking up fine print now, and I'm going to use this to kind of like define the nose. This was another step that I wasn't sure I wanted to do, but I'm actually really glad that I did because it just kind of like rounded out the whole look. So I'm placing the shadows down where I want them to be darkest, and then I'm not putting anything else on the brush. I'm just going to kind of like start buffing it inward. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you recreate this look, please tag me in any pictures that you post. Happy Halloween guys, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.